In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the folder ID in Google Drive. If you've ever needed to connect a workflow, a script, or a third-party tool to a specific folder, the folder ID is exactly what those tools usually ask for. The good news is you don't need any special permissions or advanced settings to find it, just your web browser. First, open Google Drive in a desktop browser and sign in if you're not already. You'll land on the Drive homepage where you can see your folders and files. Using a desktop browser is important because we're going to read the folder ID directly from the URL, which isn't visible the same way in the mobile app. Next, locate the folder whose ID you want. Double-click to open it. Make sure you actually open the folder instead of just selecting it. You'll know it's open when you see the folder's contents and often a breadcrumb path at the top showing you where you are in Drive. If you accidentally click once and it only highlights the folder, just double-click again to enter it. With the folder open, look at your browser's address bar at the top of the window. You'll see a link that looks like drive.google.com, drive/folders, followed by a long string of letters, numbers, and maybe a few dashes or underscores. That long string right after the word folders is the folder ID. Click once on the address bar to highlight the entire URL, then copy only the characters immediately after folders. Stop copying when you reach a question mark, a slash, or the end of the URL. That exact sequence is your folder ID. If you don't see folders in the URL, you might not be inside the folder yet. Go back and double-click it to open. And if your browser shows a very long link with extra parameters, don't worry. You only need the part right after folders bullseye. You can paste the ID into a Notes app or directly into the tool that's asking for it. It's just an identifier for that specific folder. So you don't need to include the entire URL unless a tool explicitly requests the full link. That's all there is to it. Open Google Drive, open the folder, and copy the string after folders / in the address bar. With this ID in hand,